منزل تلاش کر، منزل تلاش کر، منزل سے آگے بڑھ کر منزل تلاش کر، مل جائے تجھ کو دریا تو سمندر تلاش کر، منزل سے آگے بڑھ کر منزل تلاش کر، مل جائے تجھ کو دریا تو سمندر تلاش کر، ہر شیشہ ٹوٹ جاتا ہے پتھر کی چوٹ سے، پتھر ہی ٹوٹ جائے وہ شیشہ تلاش کر، ہر شیشہ ٹوٹ جاتا ہے پتھر کی چوٹ سے، پتھر ہی ٹوٹ جائے وہ شیشہ تلاش کر، سجدوں میں تیرے کیا ہوا صدیاں گزر گئی، دنیا تیری بدل دے وہ سجدہ تلاش کر، منزل سے آگے بڑھ کر منزل تلاش کر، مل جائے تجھ کو دریا تو سمندر تلاش کر، نہیں تیرا نشے منتصر سلطانی کے گنبد پر، نہیں تیرا نشے منتصر سلطانی کے گنبد پر، ایمان تیرا لٹ گیا رہزن کے ہاتھ سے، ایمان تیرا لٹ گیا رہزن کے ہاتھ سے، ایمان تیرا لٹ گیا۔
The greatest name of Allah is the most merciful and most kind. Honorable principal, respectable teacher, dear my school fellows, Assalamu alaikum and good morning. Today I want to talk about a really special but the howling color. Alone we can do so little, together we can do so much. This means that when we try to do something alone we may find it very hard. But if we work with others, I think we can achieve both things. Let me extend this lesson for example. Imagine you are trying to lift a heavy box. It's so big and heavy that you cannot move alone. But if 2 or 3 friends come to it, it becomes so much easier to lift. The same thing happens in life. When we work together, we can solve problems quickly, complete tasks faster, and learn more from each other. Working as a team also.
Honorable Chairman, respected principal, teachers, and my dear audience, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Manahi from grade 6 standing here in front of you to deliver a speech on a topic. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. We've all heard the saying, the only way to do great work is to love what you do. But let's pause for a moment. What does it actually mean to love your work? Is it about passion, purpose, or simply enjoying every moment? I believe it's all of these things. Loving your work is about finding meanings and joy in the work that fills your day. A verse to set the stage. Great work is born where passion lives. In every task the heart it gives. A labor of love, a song of the soul that turns simple efforts into a greater goal. When you love what you do, you stop working for weekends and start working for fulfillment. Even on tough days you push forward because your work is not just a job. It's a part of who you are. But what if you don't love what you do right now? Does that mean you can't create great work? Absolutely not. Sometimes the journey of loving your work begins with loving small moments within it. Actions to cultivate love for your work. Discover your why. Ask yourself, what impact does my work have on others? Connecting your task to a greater purpose can make you special.
Essence is adjusted. One said passion is a companion in wisdom. These words are reminded. Passion is not just a possibility given, but an active and powerful force that can help you achieve purpose in your life. Take time to reflect, think critically and to consider different perspective, practice mindfulness and presence. And learn to appreciate it.
Then share up wonderful stories. A book is like a friend who is always there. No matter where they are and it is their audience. A book teaches so many new things. They take us to foreign places, show us amazing invention, and introduce us to many new ideas. When we read a story, it feels like traveling with the characters. We laugh with them, learn from them, and feel so proud of them.
Honorable Chairman, respected principal, teachers, and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Today I stand before you to speak on a topic that is related deeply with the essence of humanity, tolerance, and compassion, a quality of fearless people. In a world often divided beneath cultural opinion, it is easy to see intolerance and indifference, sense of strength. However, the task was said, does true courage,
Topic. Passion is the companion of of wisdom. Respected judges, passion is one of the basic elements to the door of knowledge and wisdom. While when we are patient, we can calmly analyze any situation to predict the outcome before and giving us a lesson. Worldly judges, what trait has the power to change us of our success? Respected judges, we have a power to be patient. It's just a matter of making up our mind to do so. It may be helpful to remember that people don't succeed because they are destined to. They succeed because they are determined to. Respected judges, if only we had present, if only we had refused to give up, if only we had said to respect. Tolerance and compassion are the qualities of fearless people. These two are not just a word but a way of life. A way of life that can transform you, transform your relationship, and then transform a whole world around you. Imagine a world where everyone feels valued, respected, and included. A world where kindness are celebrated, not tolerated. A world where kindness and empathy are the guiding principle of our interaction. That world is possible, but
Stick and heavy that you cannot move it alone. But if 2 or 3 friends come to help, it becomes so much easier to live. The same things happens in life. When we work together, we can solve problems quickly, complete tasks faster, and learn more from each other. Working as a team also makes us feel happy because we are not alone. Think about a football team. Can a one player win the match? What time it is? Dear audience, book teach us so many new things. They take us from faraway places, show us amazing adventures, introduce us to new ideas. When we read a story, it feels like we are living with the characters.
أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Good morning and assalamu alaikum to everyone. Today I stand before you to speak on the topic that resonates deeply with the essence of humanity. Tolerance and compassion are qualities of fearless peoples. In the world often divided by differences in beliefs, cultures, and opinion, it is easy to see intolerance and indifference as a sign of strength. However, let us ask ourselves, does true courage lie in domination, rejection, understanding, and acceptance? Fearless peoples are not those who seek their own power, but those who embrace diversity and contradiction. The core tolerance and discord is the ability to respect differences. It requires open mind, strong hearts, perspective that match challenges our own. This openness is not the sign of its capacity for perseverance, grit, and triumph. We all face challenges and setbacks in our lives. We all stumble and fall, but it's not the falling that defines us. It's the rising, it's the courage to get back up, to dust ourselves off, and to keep moving forward. A poet says that from the ashes of failure we rise anew. With every fall we find a way to break through. The darkness may descend, but we will find the light, for in the depths of our soul a fire burns bright. So let us rise up, dear friends, and let our spirits soar. Let us face our fears and let our hearts roar. For we are the masters of our fate, the captains of soul. We are the one who can rise above and make our dreams whole. You have within you the power to overcome any obstacle, to achieve any goal, and realize your dream.
मंजिल से आगे बढ़कर मंजिल तलाश कर मिल जाए तुझको दरिया तू समंदर तलाश कर हर शीशा टूट जाता है पत्थर की चोट से पत्थर ही टूट जाए वो शीशा तलाश कर हर शीशा टूट जाता है पत्थर की चोट से पत्थर ही टूट जाए वो शीशा तलाश कर सजदों